Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Yoga with Neha. Today's video is a follow along stretching routine to get rid of muscle cramps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Come into tabletop position. We will do cat and cow stretch for 3 rounds. So bend your back and look up to do a cow pose. Now round your back and come into cat pose. Again, bend your back and come into cow pose. Now round your back and come into cat pose. Last round, bend your back and come into cow pose. Round your back and come into cat pose. Now we will do puppy to cobra stretch. So first come into puppy pose. Now come into cobra pose. Again come into puppy pose. Now cobra pose. Last round, come into puppy pose. Now come into cobra pose. Next compound stretch is downward facing dog to child pose. So come into downward facing dog. Go down and come into child pose. Straighten your knees and come into downward facing dog pose. Bend your knees, come down and come into child pose. Last round, come into downward facing dog pose. Go down and come into child pose. For the next set of stretches, lay down on your back. Keep your left foot over the right foot. Grab your right thigh and pull it towards your chest. Now repeat the same thing with another leg. Now right foot will come over the left. Grab your left thigh and pull it closer to your chest. Now grab your both knees and try to pull them towards your chin. For the last stretch, come closer to a wall. Keep your body perpendicular to the wall and your legs should be parallel to the wall, and hold it for 30 seconds. That's all for today's video, guys. Hope this video will help you to get rid of muscle cramps. Practice this stretching routine every day in the morning or evening to get better result. If you find this video useful, you can share this with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.